Hey, it's Jennifer from Quiltin', Stitchin' and Kitties. When I did my Fast and Furious quilt, I told you I was going to make a red, white, and blue one for my sister because she's a retired military officer. And she didn't want a whole lot of white in it, but I convinced her to at least have some. At first she wanted me just to do it in red and blues, and I think that would have been pretty too, but I wanted a little more brightness. I was hoping that she would go for a little more of the white, but she decided that this was plenty. And I just finished it. We've had so many thunderstorms. It's really hard to sew because I don't sew when there's lightning. So it's like quick do a border and then boom, there's a thunderstorm. So then I have to unplug everything. But I finally finished it and I thought, quick, I'll take take a video so it's all done. So there it is, and I know that she will like it. It ended up about 42 by 60, and that is the size that she had measured another one that she decided she wanted. So if you want to see how to do this and you missed the video, it was Fast and Furious Quilt. So I hope you guys are all having a good week, and I will see you again real soon. Take care.